Hello. If you're seeing this, I don't know how, but I got Gojo. Let me add it here. Oof.
I choose them.
Wait, let me choose it again. There we go. Oh, nah.
By the way, the acting interactions, I don't know what
Wait.
you have to do the interaction.
Let's
but
go to a wall. I'm gonna do something.
No, I don't. By the way, in JGS, they're adding interaction.
Oh, no. One more punch and you're dead.
Oh, stop! Oh.
I will just test out this. 1, 2, 3. I'm done. Bro, let me test this out.
Let me get my ult first. Wait.
I don't know how, but I don't know how I also got no cooldown.
Yeah. Let me get my ult.
Hold on. Do you know that one episode where Gojo uses his blue?
Yeah.
Look at me.
Put it inventory.
Look at me. Look. Oh, bro got sucked into the void.
JD,
What?
come here.
Where are you?
It's the hantavirus. It's the hantavirus ship.
Wait, where?
Let me go to the hantavirus ship.
Oh, the hantavirus ship.
Let me go to there. Wait,
Let
why
me
you
go
let
there
me?
also. Let me
I
go
want to
there.
go to the hantavirus. I want to be Mahito.
There's no Mahito moveset.
No.
Where is? I died. It's because I wanna go closer to the... Where are you? Where's the hantavirus?
I reset it.
Where is...
Oh.
Where is it? Oh. Go to me.
Wait.
Oh, never mind. I don't see it. Iday. Hidoy na. Which way? Go to the hantavirus ship.
Nope. We find it. Not that way.
What do you mean? This way? This way? Where the heck is the hantavirus is KOD cat? Oh, is it on the left side?
I don't know.
Jane, you're early. Your life's work is dirty. Wait,
Hey, Vega.
where's the hantavirus?
Okay, I'll show you, brother. I'll show you.
Okay. Where is it? I'll do something. You know.
I show you right here.
What?
Hey, don't punch me. Don't punch me.
No, I'm not. I'm just dashing.
Oh, right there. It's right there. Come here.
Let's go.
Oh my god, it's the hantavirus ship. It's
Wait.
the hantavirus. Let's go to the hantavirus.
Wait, don't go to it. Don't go to it yet. Let me do something to it. Let me do a little of trouble
Hit
to
me.
it.
Hit me. I dare you to hit me. Hit
Let me do a little bit trouble to it. Die! Die, hantavirus.
Hit me. Hit me. Hit me. JD, hit me. JD, hit me. You missed it. I rather play JDS. Why is there so much sand? 6, 7.
Okay, let me... Oh,
Come here. As a protector of the hantavirus ship. Come here.
no.
Wanna play JDS? I want to show you new English.
Bye. Bye.